Every sneeze releases thousands of microscopic droplets, many carrying viruses, bacteria, and harmful pathogens. When these particles settle, they don't just disappear. They become part of an invisible biofilm, a stubborn, living layer that can harbor infections and resist basic cleaning. That's why floor hygiene in hospitals isn't just about appearance, it's a frontline defense against infection. Square Scrub offers the effective floor cleaning, especially removing biofilm, that is critical to protecting patients, staff, and everyone who walks into a clinic or hospital. Unlike traditional mops that can spread contaminants from room to room, the Doodle mop uses disposable microfiber pads to dramatically reduce the risk of cross-contamination. The Doodle Scrub is a compact floor machine designed specifically for deep cleaning. Its powerful orbital action works to agitate and break up biofilm, the stubborn, invisible layer that clings to textured surfaces and resists ordinary cleaning methods. Available in both 20-inch and 28-inch sizes, the pivot is built for big jobs, like hospital corridors and high-traffic common areas. The pivot is engineered to clean a variety of surfaces. It also shines when it's time to refinish floors, with the ability to dry strip or chemical strip VCT, depending on the needs of your facility. Got questions? Visit squarescrub.com or give us a call at 800-557-6822.